Kitchen medicine is one of my favorite parts of herbalism. Herbalism doesn't need to be this complex, complicated thing, especially if you're just starting out. This remedy is so simple to make and such a powerful medicine to have when you need it. This is fermented garlic honey. All you need is your jar, garlic, and preferably raw honey. Add your peeled and smashed garlic to your jar, pour in your honey to the neck, screw on a lid, and burp it the first 2 weeks, and then it'll be ready between 4 to 6 weeks. Make sure to date your jar, and it is simple as that.